Now, this is not a sponsored video, but STORi, if you're watching, holler at your girl. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. So about 6 months ago, I purchased the ever famous IKEA Alex Drawer Set. I purchased the one with the 9 drawers, and I did a whole video about the pros and cons of it. And one of the cons is that there's no compartment in the drawers, and you have to purchase those separately. And IKEA has some little kitchen drawer organizers that could fit in there depending on which size you get, but they're a little expensive, and I wasn't going to purchase 9 of those and break the bank trying to do that. So I went to TJ Maxx, went to the dollar store, and I got a couple of clear compartments to go in there, but stores like that don't make or don't sell a bunch of them at one time. So I was only able to find 4 or 5, but I dealt with it because I really like my drawer set, and it wasn't such a big deal that things moved around, but I was really trying to find something that would work better. So I went on Amazon and I saw these STORi organizers, and they have so many different shapes and so many different sizes. But what I really liked is that they're about 2 inches tall and they fit in every single drawer of the Alex Drawer Set. So I purchased 3 different sizes and I was able to put them into my Alex drawers and just make everything look more cohesive and be able to see everything at one time. That was the main thing. I wanted to open my drawers and I wanted to be able to see all of my stuff. I don't want things stacked on top of each other. When I close a drawer, I don't want to hear those things rolling around. And these organizers have really worked well for me. So when I opened up the large box, there were 3 smaller boxes because I got 3 different sizes, and they all come with this little pamphlet that shows you every single size that they offer. And the sizes that I got were the 9x6x2, the 6x6x2, and the 6x3x2. So let me show you how I fit them into my drawers and how much better it looks with all of those little cubes looking the same and fitting all of my stuff in, and it just looks so good. Y'all, isn't that amazing? Just being able to open those drawers, seeing all of the things that I own, seeing what I can pick out without having to sift through the drawers. Everything stays in their correct spot. When I shut the drawers and when I open them, nothing's hitting the top of the drawers. It really has made my life so much better. Now, what I do want to do is get a few more sizes. I want the really, really long ones. There's a There's a 12 by 3 by 2 that I think I really, really want. And there's also a 12 by 6 by 2 that I want to try as well. I like that they are stackable too. So if I have too many of one thing, I can just stack and put some more on top and slide them over and see everything. These are a really good set of organizers and they're not super expensive. So guys, that's it for this video. I'm super excited to have these compartments in my drawers now. Everything looks so nice. Let me know if you try these or if you order them. I will put the links to the ones that I purchased down below. Comment, let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see this makeup look and information about it. And until next time, y'all have a great day.